Good morning, all of you. So, today we will start our next chapter, that is microorganism, friend and foe. So, we'll discuss some objective type question and you can just give the answer and assess yourself. Okay, so let's start. So, the question number 1 is, which of the following reproduces only inside the host cell? So the option A, bacteria, B, virus, C, amoeba, and D, fungus. So the right answer is option number B, virus. Virus reproduction only inside the cells of the host organism, which can be bacterium, plant, or even animals. Now the question number 2. A disease in human being caused by virus is option A, typhoid, option B, influenza, option C, dysentery, option D, cholera. And the right answer is option B, influenza. Influenza is a disease caused by the viral infection. Question number 3. Pathogenic microorganisms present in host cells are killed by medicines called option A, painkiller, option B, antibodies, option C, antibiotics, option D, vaccines. Tell me the answer. So the correct answer is option C, antibiotics. Pathogenic microorganisms present in host cells are killed by medicines called antibiotics that kills or stops the growth of disease-causing microbes. Question number 4. The two microorganisms which live in symbiotic relationship in lichens are option A, fungus and protozoa, option B, alga and bacteria, option C, bacteria and protozoa, option D, alga and fungus. And the right answer is option D, alga and fungus. A relationship where two species live together and their interaction provide benefits to both of them is known as symbiotic relationship. Out of the given options, alga and fungus lives in a symbiotic relationship. Question number 5. The gas released during the preparation of bread is oxygen, option B, carbon dioxide, option C, nitrogen, and option D, sulfur dioxide. And the right answer is option B, carbon dioxide. In the production of bread, yeast is added to the dough to make it soft. It reproduction rapidly, leading to the production of carbon dioxide while it inhales. The bodies of these releases gas fills the dough and increases its volume. Question number 6. The disease caused by protozoan and spread by an insect is option A, dengue, option B, malaria, option C, polio, option D, measles. And the right answer is option number B, malaria. Malaria is a disease caused by protozoan and is spread to the masses by an insect called female Anopheles mosquito. Question number 7. Paheli dug 2 pits A and B in her garden. In pit A, she put a polythene bag packed with some agricultural waste, and in pit B, she dumped the same kind of waste but without packing it in a polythene bag. She then covered both the pits with soil. What did she observe after a month? Option A, waste in pit A degraded faster than that in pit B. Option B, waste in pit B degraded faster than that in pit A? Option C, waste in both pits degraded almost equally. And option D, waste in both pits did not degrade at all. And the right answer is option B. Pits B consist of organic matter that is capable of getting decomposed within a short period of time by the microorganisms present in soil and turns into manure. Whereas Pit A contain agricultural waste in polythene bag that is non-biodegradable and hence cannot get decomposed. Therefore, Pit B will degrade faster than Pit A. Next question, which is your question number 9. Microbiology is the study of option A, microbes, option B, diseases caused by microorganisms, option C, useful product prepared from microbes, and option D, parts of living organism. And the right answer is option A, microbes. Microbes. Microbiology is the study of microbes. Question number 2. Which of the following cannot be classified as either living or non-living? Option A, viruses. Option B, fungi. Option C, protozoa. And option D, bacteria. And the right answer is option A, viruses. Among these, viruses cannot be classified as either living or non-living. Question number 3. Leeuwenhoek observed dash in a drop of pond water. Option A, viruses. Option B, living or microorganism. Option D, dead cork cells. C, and option D, fungi. And the right answer is option number B, living microorganism. Leeuwenhoek observed large number of living or microorganisms in a drop of pond water. Question number 4. Amoeba is a option A, protozoa, option B, virus, option C, bacterium and fungus. And the right answer is protozoa. Amoeba is a protozoa. Question number 5. Pasteur discovered option A, binary fission in amoeba, option B, fermentation and dead cork cells, C, fragmentation in Spirogyra, and D, yeast budding and fermentation. And the right answer is option D, yeast budding and fermentation. Louis Pasteur discovered yeast budding and fermentation. Question number 6. Which of the following make their own food by photosynthesis? Option A, fungi. Option B, algae. Option C, protozoa. And option D, viruses. And the right answer is option B, algae. Among these, algae make their own food by photosynthesis. Dash are non-cellular infectious particles. Option A, blue-green algae. Option B, viruses. Option C, bacteria. And option D, protozoa. And the right answer is option B, viruses. Viruses. Viruses are non-cellular infectious particles. Question number 8. The unicellular organisms that store milk to make curd are option A, fungi, option B, bacteria, option C, protozoa, and option D, viruses. I think all of you know the answer, and the right answer is option B, bacteria. Bacteria, the unicellular organism that store milk to make curd. Question number 9. Ivanovsky discovered virus from option A, potato leaves, option B, beetle leaves, option C, okra leaves, and option D, tobacco leaves. And the right answer is option D, tobacco leaves. Tobacco leaves. Ivanovsky discovered virus from tobacco leaves. Question number 10. Which of the following is responsible for making bread soft and fluffy? Option A, alcohol given off during fermentation of sugar. Option B, finely ground flour. Option C, sugar. Option D, carbon dioxide gas given off during fermentation of sugar. And the right answer is option D, carbon dioxide gas given off during fermentation of sugar. Carbon dioxide gas given off during fermentation of sugar is responsible for making bread soft and fluffy. Next question. Organism responsible for amoebic dysentery is option A, Amoeba proteus, option B, Plasmodium vivax, option C, Entamoeba histolytica, option D, Entamoeba gingivalis. And the right answer is option C, Entamoeba histolytica. Organism responsible for amoebic dysentery is Entamoeba histolytica. Question number 12. Which of these do not have regular cell structure? Option A, algae, option B, bacteria, option C, protozoa, and option D, viruses. And your right answer is option A, algae. Among these, algae do not have a regular cell structure. Question number 13. The microorganisms which help in fermentation is option A, rhizopus, option B, yeast, option C, rhizobium, option D, E. coli. And the right answer is option B, yeast. The microorganism which help in fermentation is yeast. Question number 14. Which of these are found as unicellular and multicellular organism? Option A, bacteria, option B, algae, option C, viruses, and option D, protozoa. And the right answer is option A, bacteria. Among these, bacteria are found as both unicellular and multicellular organism. Question number 15. Microorganisms are responsible for free radical formation, chemical control, non-biodegradation, or biodegradation. And the right answer is biodegradation. Microorganisms are responsible for biodegradation. So this is all about today's quiz. I hope you all have given the right answer and assess yourself. Thank you.